Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss is going down like a rock right now, and this is why I always emphasize so much about the trend being your friend. I mean, it did break structure over here, but it was just a spike. And then it made lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And with that, including the daily time frame, the fact that the daily is in an extremely strong downtrend, tells me that you would have to be very, very cautious about thinking that there's any going to be any significant long opportunities. This is such a strong move down. I would actually be pretty surprised if it actually turned back up at this point. I think at this point it probably is going to go down. It probably is going to take out the previous lows. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because it is definitely one down, one up, one down. So if it does respect the 78% and start pushing up really strong, you could definitely try to go long. But in my opinion, trying to go long, I think, is a little dangerous. The real money over the last several weeks has definitely been going short every single chance you get because the higher time frames are down. And as always, the trend is your friend. And when you trade with the trend, you have a way higher probability of being a successful trader. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.